Hi, today I will show you how to activate bass mode on your JBL Xtreme 3 speaker. If you are feeling the beat and want a more impactful sound, it's perfect for you. Let's dive in and learn how to set it up. Activating bass mode. Find the volume down button and Bluetooth button on your speaker. Press and hold both buttons together for about 10 seconds. Look for the lights to flash briefly after 10 seconds, indicating that bass mode is on. You can enjoy your bass. Turning off bass mode to return to the regular sound profile. Repeat the process and hold volume down and Bluetooth buttons together for 10 seconds. The lights will flash again, confirming bass mode is off. That's all. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solution.